This guy is about 20 pounds, a little over. They range in those, a little more, a little less. And it's actually pretty easy. Don't let the fruit intimidate you. Let me just kind of make your cut around. There are many ways to cut this jackfruit. I just like to cut it in half so I can work with one piece at a time. So here is your jackfruit. This is its core that you would cut out. These are your pods that you would end up eating. And these seeds, they can be boiled or roasted, and they end up tasting a lot like a potato, but they have a lot of extra nutrient value that you don't find in a potato. So what I did here is I cut this in half, and then in half again, and then one more time so that it was easy to cut the core out. So then right there you just take your knife and go underneath the core so that you don't cut and waste all your fruit, but you make it easy to pull the fruit out. Yeah, then you just take out these pods and you can eat them, freeze them, eat them later. And again, excellent source of fiber. This also can be used as a meat substitute. It can, when it cooks up, it'll take on the flavor of other things you cook it with. And all these string things are edible, but they don't really taste like much. So the main thing is the yellow fruit itself and the seeds. You peel it out. This piece right here is also edible, but it is a little bitter, so I usually would just pick it out, and because then you have your full seed and you have your jackfruit. And this is when you're done.